Hey guys, welcome, and this is how to unsend Teams message. So guys, if you send a message and you change your mind, what you could try to do is of course go to your Teams. And now I have a chat over here on the left side. So select the chat, and I have a chat over here to this person. And for example, I want to delete my message right here. So now you can just simply go to the message that you want to delete, and you will have an option over here, the three dots, more options, and you will have an option over here, delete. So guys, this is the only way to do this, to undo your message, is to delete them. And as you can see, the message will be deleted. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.